Shout out to our sponsor Hang Time, which is an app where you can go on and compete against your friends to win cash prizes. They have trivia shows and various games on there. It's a ton of fun. The link to download the app is down in the description below, so definitely check it out and go ahead and get on there and have fun playing some games and check out the 5 trivia shows which we will be doing about skateboarding starting in May. Some members of the Braille team will be on there now, so you guys want to get the app and get started, and we will see you in the app within the games as you play. The app is available on the Apple Store or Google Play. The link is also right down there, so go ahead and check it out. On to the video. All right, guys, I'm very excited because I have a new series idea. I've actually had this idea for a good 6 months, but that seems to be how long it takes for me to actually execute any idea that I've ever had. So I call this Skate IQ. Now, an IQ test is a timed test, and you answer all these questions, and it is how fast you can do that against time. So I thought, why don't we do that with skateboard tricks? I have on brailleskateboarding.com/ranks a list of tons of tricks. There's a certain point setting, and I tried to set this up so the harder the trick, the more the points. And then if you do that going switch, obviously it's more points. If you do it fakie, it's more points. Nollie, it's more points, etc. This is how this is going to work. I am going to give myself 30 minutes. I'm going to do as many tricks as I can, and then we will add up the total number of points, and that will be my skate IQ. But I am going to challenge another person at the end of this video to do the same thing and see what their points are. It's not that I'm like going up against them, because the actual point of the skate IQ is for you to improve your own skate IQ. So for example, if I'm doing all these tricks and I cannot get the double kickflip for whatever reason, and then I learn double kickflips better, and then I come back and do a new skate IQ, hopefully my IQ of the skateboarding situation has improved. The other thing about this is this does give the Braille Army rank. Many of you guys probably didn't even know that there was such thing as a Braille Army rank. Well, yes, brailleskateboarding.com/ranks gives you the list of tricks, and then you add up the total number of points, and it gives you your rank. That was a cool thing that I set up a long time ago, and we haven't really been using it much. I am definitely going to start doing a lot more with this. So without further ado, we're going to set a timer for 30 minutes. I haven't warmed up, haven't been skating a ton, so this is probably going to be a very poor show on my point. Start off, episode 1, skate IQ. Let's see what I can get. This is flat ground only. Part of this is gonna be strategy as well. So like if I do a 180, then a switch 180 counts as more points. Part of the rules that I forgot to mention, if you do a trick twice, it doesn't count twice. It only counts once. So really, I'm gonna do this, and I want you guys to make your own skate IQ, and then I want you to challenge another skater to do the same. And let's get this rolling and push skateboarding all over the world. This will help skateboarding expand. It really will.
You ready?
No.
Set me a timer for 30 minutes.
Okay, 30 minutes and counting.
Woo! I'm already exhausted. This is hard. Toe drag counts, I'm taking it. Oh, that's a good one. I really should warm up. I really should have warmed up. My legs are burning. Do I dare?
Frontside flip, backside flip.
Heel flip, bro.
Fakie, heel flip.
Yes. Whatever, I'm gonna count that. I'm so tired. What's the timer at? Maybe I don't want to know.
You still have 26 minutes.
Are you kidding me? We're only 4 minutes in.
Not even 3.5.
Well, clearly we know what I need to work on.
Don't get held up on a trick.
Okay. Literally feel like my chest is caving in and my stomach is going out of my intestines. Tray revert, I guess. Ooh, that one I'll get stuck. Woo, doggy! Oh, I know. Wait, did we do this?
That looked like a weird shove rebound.
There was. So is that. Wait, so is this. Oh, got him! Okay, right here, Petty Potter. Here we go, Warriors. Here we go. Good girl! Pace yourself.
Should I have 911 on speed dial right now?
Pace yourself, please. Don't even speed dial, just call them in advance. Wait till you get good and tired to start throwing in the double flips.
Yep.
In my head, this is a lot easier. I want to relax. Somebody ate their Wheaties.
I've seen you do that in a while.
How about this? I just needed a break.
Backside slider.
Shifty flips, do those count?
No. Well, maybe.
No. Did that count? Holy shit. 30 minutes is a lot longer than you think.
You still have 20 minutes.
20 minutes? I want to pass out. Hi! Oh, my body odor is so bad. Nigel Alexander, help me with this. Oh, we didn't do this one yet. Wow, I gotta think of some sort of a pattern next time. Defense? Wow, I'm so tired. Yeah, probably the best way is just to do it in every stance. If you got it in every stance. I don't think I got switch. I gotta learn that though, because it's Carlos's Lastra secret weapon. Whoa! This girl is on fire! Yes. Straight landed it though, like jeez. Whoa! I'm gonna give this 2 tries. Can't do it in 2 tries. I'm subbing in Mario for the rest of my turn. Ooh! That was unexpected. Whatever, okay?
If I count that in the game of skate, it counts here.
1 toe landed primo, and now it hurts. I know. Daniel, help me out. You're supposed to like degrade me in some form or fashion. Like, you suck.
You suck.
You would rebay that in a game of skate, I guess, huh? I guess it starts to really show your weaknesses. How many heel flips have I done in this?
1.
1. No, 2. Nollie heel.
Oh, yeah. Woo, I wouldn't go there.
Wow, I'm going there, Gabe. Watch this.
You land a laser flip by the end of this video, I'll give you $50.
Harness the all heel flip trick game of skate. You remember that? I feel like there should be like extra like leeway for sketchy tricks because of the sheer volume of, what do you call it? Training for the Olympics? Jeez.
You've lost the ability to pop.
Wow, I almost broke 3 arms on that. Wow, I forgot where we are and what we're doing. I'm literally so tired, I don't know if I can even do a kickflip. Pace yourself, they say. There's gotta be a lot of tricks that are easier than I didn't do. Finally a land! I used to be so good at that trick I could just throw it anywhere. Now, look at me. Like that, like, yeah, let's try that one. or not. I can't wait to see somebody who's actually good at skateboarding do this video. It's gonna be exciting. Yeah, boy! Here we go, Dodgers. Oh, Giants. What are you doing? Give me the power. Thank you. Daniel? He's rebaiting me. Dang it. You know I can't do that. He gave me some good ideas. Wow! I almost straight up passed out mid that. Remember that one time I did an ollie hard flip? That was cool. Oh wait, you're a brilliant man, Gabe Cruz. Wow. Backside shifty flip. Frontside shifty flip.
There you go.
You know what'd be sick? Nollie double shifty flip. If we're getting real shifty, let's get shifty. 3 vertebrae just misaligned. Woo, child. I'm gonna land this, try double to end it, and then I'm gonna pass out for a month. I will take that. Come on, Goku. Mario!
Triple flip.
Wow, that's not happening. That was perfect. End it good, Aaron. End it good. My heart's beating out of my chest for the love of skateboarding. Land this, Aaron. Buzzer beater. Come on, Warriors.
25 seconds.
3/4 of the court. Here we go. Kevin Durant.
19 seconds.
No.
10 seconds. 6 seconds.
5, 4, 3, 2. Yes! Get out of town! Should we just do it again? Start from here, no repeat tricks? No. Wow.
I think you need to lie down.
All right, so the total number of points that I made, ding! My Braille Army IQ rank, ding! And I want to make it clear that the actual Braille Army rank has nothing to do with time. Just mark out every trick that you've ever landed, even if you've landed it once in one persistence video. Mark it out, that's your rank. Sign up at brailleskateboarding.com. What I'm really trying to do here is expand skateboarding all over the world and get more skateboarders. And I thought this is kind of a fun, cool, interesting idea, and that we can like come together as a group, all learn more tricks, support each other. And so I want you guys to make your own skate IQs, add up your points, send us in the video. There's a video submission form at brailleskateboarding.com. The link will be in the description below, as well as a link to the ranks. But who I really, really want to see do this is Jonny Giger. He is like the king of flat ground. I don't know, he's just incredible on a skateboard, and I really, 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 really want to see him do this. He, by the way, has no idea we're saying this or even making this video, so I hope that he's down to do it. Jonny, we love you. We really want to see your video. Please make it 30 minutes, add up the points. Another thing that I'll mention is a lot of the tricks I realized as I was going through this are probably not on that list. So we're gonna have to update that list, figure out some sort of a better point system. Let's do this. I hope you guys enjoyed this concept. I hope you had fun watching this video. Please give this video a like, leave it in the comments below. And that is gonna go a long way to help pushing skateboarding all over the world. It really, really, really is. Super important because we need more skaters to build this industry bigger, bigger, bigger. Click right here to go to all the other videos in the playlist. This will be episode 1 of Skate IQ. And then go right here for brailleskateboarding.com, your complete guide to everything skateboarding, tutorials, you can get decks there, pretty much anything you need. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys are the best, you are important. Truthfully, I don't want to see my video, I want to see your guys' video. So submit it. If you're not subscribed, subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next video tomorrow. Boo! Once again, huge shout out to our partner Hang Time. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to check out the app. The link is in the description below. You can also go to Google Play or the Apple Store and search Hang Time. Get on there and invite your friends. You guys will earn prizes, cash prizes, and you can play against the other Braille team members who will be on there in the coming weeks. Remember, the Braille skateboarding trivia shows start in May.